What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in again. My name's Joe. You're watching Live It on Wheels. Now, I know it's been quite a while since my last upload, and I do apologize for that. Life has been keeping me really busy lately. So why I've been gone for so long is I've actually just finished up my final term of college. I just graduated. I'm done. It's finally over. But these last few weeks have been keeping me very busy, and so I just haven't been able to get some videos filmed for you guys. It's all been school, figuring out a job situation, finishing up school, and then getting ready to move everything. So I've just been busy. I've had a lot of subscribers subscribe in the last couple weeks since I haven't uploaded. So if you're new here, I appreciate you subscribing to the channel and following along. Now that things are a little more relaxed and not as much going on, should have a lot more fun content coming for you guys. I got about a month off before I start working full-time, and so my plan is to hopefully get a large amount of videos out to you guys in this next month. Should be a lot of fun stuff coming along. But yeah, that's why I've been gone for so long. I think it's only actually been 2 weeks since my last upload, but it feels like forever for me. So hopefully I can get the ball rolling on this channel and again get momentum going and have some fun. Today I'm going to be doing a mileage update on my truck. It should be a pretty quick video, but I've done a couple of videos in the past. One, I've done my new injectors on this truck, and two, not too long ago I did the exhaust back pressure valve sensor, or the exhaust back pressure sensor and tube cleaning, which should have given me a bump on fuel mileage. I think it did. I haven't done a strict update video on this yet, or at least I don't think I have, so I'm going to go and fill up. I only have 164 miles on this tank so far. They've been mostly highway miles, but I think it would be a good representation of what I've been looking at as far as mileage goes on this truck. So stick along. I'm going to go fill up and we're going to see how it actually turned out. Alright, so here we go. Hopefully you can hear me, kind of by a main road, but filled up with 10.29 gallons. You look on the odometer, we're looking at just over 166 miles on this trip. So 166 divided by 10.3, getting around 16.1 miles per gallon. For any of you guys looking at 7.3 Powerstrokes or wondering kind of what to expect, there you go, 16.1 miles per gallon, driving a 3/4 ton truck. Not terrible, not great. It's no Prius by any means, but who actually wants to drive a Prius? So for any of you guys wondering kind of what to expect, the fuel mileage of these trucks, maybe you're out there looking to buy one, this will give you a pretty good idea. If I'm doing more city driving, I usually get around 14 miles per gallon. Highway, 16 to 18 is usually what I would expect. For those of you wondering, this is without fuel additive, which I normally run. Didn't have any for this tank though, so this is without fuel additive. I usually expect that to add around 1 mile per gallon. Makes a pretty good difference. It actually pays for itself if you actually do the math of it. So I almost always run fuel additive in this truck. And then as well, the brakes on this truck are starting to get a little dry. The caliper pins, I need to take them out and lube them up again. They're starting to stick a little bit, and so of course that's going to drop the mileage down a little bit. I think I'll probably do another mileage test at some point after I go through the calipers and re-lube them up and get them all functioning smoothly so they're not dragging at all. I'm sure that made a little bit of an impact on this mileage, but probably nothing crazy. I'd say with fuel additive and going through that, I could probably see between 17 to 18 miles per gallon. Best I've seen so far is 19 on this truck, but 16 is not all that bad for a 3/4 ton truck. So again, I apologize for the uploads being, I guess, non-existent recently. Like I said, times have been pretty busy, but I think my schedule's really starting to open up again. Should be able to get a lot of stuff out to you guys now. I'm pretty darn excited about what's coming. So if you're new here, I encourage you to subscribe so you don't miss out. To all my current subscribers, thanks for watching again. Stay tuned, we got more content coming, and it should be coming here pretty quick. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Happy Father's Day to you all. Hopefully you got something done on your rigs. Stay tuned for what's coming. I'll catch you guys on the next video.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.